My first ingredient is lemon, and today we're going to be using the lemon zest. To extract the zest, I'm going to grate the lemon. Now, lemon zest naturally contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage and prevent premature aging. Due to its high pH level, lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduce inflammation. Lemon also contains skin lightening properties. Now, after zesting, take a look. Here you can clearly see the oil from the lemon zest. And this is what helps to hydrate the skin. So we're now going to set this aside and we're going to move on to our next ingredient. My next ingredient is carrot, and today I'm going to be using a medium carrot. To prepare the carrot, I'm going to scrape. However, you can choose to peel the carrot. Now, carrot is rich in vitamin A. Vitamin A helps to reduce wrinkles and boosts collagen. Beta carotene and carotenoid contained in carrot protect the skin against UV ray and also remove suntan. Carrot also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin when used topically. It is even great for using in your hair care products. Now, after grating the carrot, we're going to mix it with our lemon zest, and we're going to place this in a small bowl. Next, we're going to reach for some hot water. Make sure the water is still boiling point, and we're going to place the carrot and lemon zest in the bowl over the hot water. Once this is done, we're going to reach for my next ingredient, which is rose water. Rose water helps to balance the natural pH levels of the skin. It keeps the skin hydrated. It can also be used as a facial toner. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of our rose water. Pour this in, and now we are going to mix it in the carrot and the lemon zest, and we're going to mix well. Once this is done, we're going to remove our carrot from the hot water, and we're going to cover this, and we're going to set it aside to infuse. You can choose to do this a day ahead or leave it overnight. Next day, you're going to reach back for the mixture, and we are going to strain. So you can choose to use a cheesecloth, or you can use a strainer to strain. Now, after straining, take a look. Here we have our mixture. This is our base for our facial serum, a rich vitamin C base. Now we're going to add some other ingredient to this. My first ingredient is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps to clear pigmentation on the skin. It's also hydrating. It's good to get rid of suntan. It is also good to get rid of excess oil on the skin. Aloe vera is a natural antioxidant that will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. We're going to be using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and we're using a 95% pure aloe vera gel in this recipe. We're pouring this in, and next we're going to reach for some vitamin E. Vitamin E is used as a preservative in this recipe, but also is very hydrating, nourish the skin and protect the skin. We're using a half a teaspoon of the vitamin E. Our vitamin E is 1000 IU. If you have a higher IU, use less. And if you have a lower IU, use more. 1 teaspoon of vitamin E. And now we are going to mix all these ingredients together. We're mixing our carrot lemon zest along with aloe vera gel, rose water, and vitamin E, and we are mixing well. At this stage, we are going to add one final ingredient, and this is vegetable glycerine. Vegetable glycerine is hydrating, but it's also great to use as a natural preservative in your homemade facial DIY. I'm using a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine. Pour this in. It's optional. If you do not have the vegetable glycerine, you can choose to leave it out. And now we're going to mix, and we are going to mix well. You can choose to use this as is, but if you wanted to have a more creamier consistency, you can either use a whisk or you can choose to blend. I have a small blender, so I'm going to be blending. Now after blending, here it is. Here is our anti-aging homemade facial serum, rich in antioxidant vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. This also contains beta carotene, good for anti-aging purpose, good to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boosts the collagen production in the skin. Now you can choose to store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. Now do not click off. Continue watching for a live demonstration showing you how to use this serum for best results. To use the serum, you take a small amount in your hands and you just press it on your skin. You're going to apply this on clean skin on top of your facial toner. Press it on the face, the neck, and the décolleté. And once this is done, you just go to sleep with it. Upon arising in the morning, you just rinse as you normally do. This is good to use below your facial moisturizer, so go ahead and apply your moisturizer on top of this facial serum. It's good to use every night on your skin for younger, fresher, wrinkle-free, amazing looking skin.